Wheat harvest 2011. My ride for today. It's been a wet season, so we use our four-wheel drive tractor to help get unstuck anytime we need it. As a testament to our wet year, we have extra help with wheat this year. Frogs. If you can notice here, our wheat is all laying to the south, meaning that we can combine only in one direction, which is twice as many trips than what we normally would take. So we combine heading north, drive back south, combine heading north again. This wheat straw that is left by the combine is baled up and used for bedding in the winter months for our cattle. It's a very valuable asset to our farm.